how long did it take you to fill out those pesky forms at doctor's offices? And how awkwardly did you wait while the receptionist scanned your health insurance card? Do you have access to your medical records, your medical bills? Why is it such a hassle for us to transfer our information into the hands of doctors? Today I want to share the solution, and it comes in the form of an app called Pehr. Pehr stands for Personal Electronic Health Record. This app is meant to be a place where you can store your medical record, your prescriptions, your insurance cards, pay bills, and schedule appointments. The method of transmitting information as shown is used with a base station that is located in a doctor's office. And all you have to do is hover your phone over it, and it will seamlessly transfer the information to and from your phone. This is the perfect app for those that travel, especially because you can use Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, or Google Pay to pay your medical bills. Say you're in an accident and you're unconscious. What happens then? Well, with the base station located in ambulances, EMTs can securely take that information so they can better treat you. In his book, Mistreated by Dr. Robert Pearl, he says, healthcare will need to be technologically enabled with comprehensive electronic health records, patient access to medical information, and the ability to obtain care using mobile technologies. Thank you.